Hey guys, we're playing with the unicorn palette. I haven't actually played with it yet. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. I showed you in my last video that I had this palette. Beautiful colours. The packaging is stunning. Is it upside down? Stunning. $14 at Kmart. You get 12 eyeshadow shades. And we're going to play with it. Put it on my eyeballs and see what this thing does. Because for my base, need to put some colour on my eyelids and see how it performs, because everyone's raving about it and I haven't had a chance to play with it yet. So we're going to go in with the shade Mystic to set my base, because that's what we do here. I mean, obviously being a cream colour, you're not going to see much, if at all. Gonna do anything? Like, hello. The microphone plugged in now. Yay. So yeah, we just did that cream colour. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I think my eye brush is a little bit wet. I washed them last night and it's been really cold here in Melbourne. So that's a problem. And so my brushes don't really dry that quickly. Yeah. I don't know what kind of look to do, because there's like obviously some pretty colours, but there's also some nice cool tone neutrals. What do we do? I'm going to take Main to put in my crease. They seem a little bit more pigmented than the Nudes 4 palette, and they don't seem as what's the word, powdery. Well, you can actually see that coming up on my eyelid, which is good. A really pretty cool toned brown with a bit of a kind of a mauvey undertone. So I'm dipping into my new Sports Girl brushes. The unicorn one seems to apply better than the Nudes 4 palette, I think, which is interesting. And it blends out better, in my little opinion. Which I think is interesting, like, well, so far anyway. The mattes do in any case. Look, I haven't had to reapply or anything like that too much. They feel nice and smooth. They blend quite well. I'm going to take Candy Tail, which is a slightly warmer toned brown. I'm just going to put it lower, slightly lower in my crease. These don't feel chalky at all or dry like the matte, like the Nude 4 palette did. I'm actually really happy with how they're looking so far. They're blended out really nicely. I might add wings on the outer corner just a little bit. These blend out really well and they apply nicely. I really like that. I don't know what colour to put on the lid. I'm going to try, I think, Golden Horn. A really pretty bronzy old gold colour. I think I might have to wet it. Like, it's pretty, but it's like... yeah, I'm going to have to wet that. My kmart setting spray, so that's better. Try the finger just to, like, they're a little bit chunky, but they're still quite pretty. They're looking really pretty. For inner corner and brow bone, I might use Twinkle. Ooh. That was quite pigmented. Hello. Alright, I've done my lashes. I'm going to do the lower lashes with, I think, a colour I haven't used, but I really like how this looks turning out. A little bit of that. It's called a Magical. Just a little bit. And then I'll dip into Main again. That was quite nice. Here we have the final look. I actually really like how this turned out. This palette is actually a lot better, in my opinion, than the Nudes 4 palette. I don't know why. I think it's a slight different formula. I haven't played with like all the shades as yet. Obviously, I'm actually going to insert swatches in this video because I do think they're really pretty. They blend out really well. I do think this is quite a wearable look. It's quite a, like, you can glam it up with lashes and that kind of thing, a winged liner, but if you wanted to, I quite like this on its own. But yeah, overall I think this one is the winner out of the Nudes 4. Unicorn wins. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let me know if you're going to get these palettes and if this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye.